You're welcome. We will be talking about creating an online course, a step-by-step guide. Hi everyone, you're welcome to Millionaire by 25. If you're new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content which we will be putting out for you. Without further ado, let's head right into the video. Have you ever considered sharing your expertise and knowledge through an online course? It's a noble idea and quite lucrative if well done. However, creating one can be difficult, especially if you're new to it. The question is, how can you go from having a great idea, experience and knowledge to bringing it to life as a valuable online course? Good news! You've come to the right place because that's precisely what this article will cover. How you can create your online course in an easy to understand step-by-step guide will assist you in navigating the process from selecting the appropriate topic to launching and promoting your course, whether you're a seasoned professional or a genuine enthusiast. So, let's dive in and turn your knowledge into an exceptional online learning experience that students will love. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like what you hear. Step 1. Choose your course topic. Selecting a topic is the first and most crucial part of creating your online course. No matter how good your course is, it will fail if you select a title or subject you're unfamiliar with. Therefore, choosing a subject you know and are passionate about is essential to the success of your online course. Ask yourself, what am I truly excited to teach others? Consider your target audience and their needs. What are they looking to learn? What problems or challenges can you help them overcome? Choosing a topic that aligns with your expertise and sparks your enthusiasm will help you create a course that resonates with your students. Remember, your passion will shine through your teachings and keep your learners engaged and motivated throughout their learning journey. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you have developed a great topic, the next step is to conduct thorough market research. This step is all about understanding your chosen subject's demand and viability. Take a look at existing courses in your niche. How popular are they? What do students like and dislike about them? Check out online forums, social media groups, and surveys to gather insights directly from your potential audience. Pay attention to pricing trends and competitor offerings. This research will help you gauge market demand, identify gaps or opportunities, and refine your course to stand out. By understanding your audience needs and preferences, you can craft a course that meets their expectations and delivers value. Step 3. Define learning objectives. A course's learning objectives are the goals and outcomes the creator expects their students to achieve by the end of the learning experience. Typically, it's one of the most important things you want to get right before you begin your course creation because it provides clarity and direction for you, the instructor, and your students. To define learning objectives, 1. Break down your course topic into key concepts or skills you want your students to grasp. 2. Ask yourself, what do I want my students to know or be able to do after completing this course? 3. Be specific and measurable in your objectives, using action verbs to describe the desired outcomes. Remember, learning objectives should be realistic, achievable, and relevant to your course topic. They guide your course design, content creation, and assessment strategies, ensuring a focused and practical learning experience for your students. Step 4. Plan your course structure. The next thing you want to do is plan your course structure. Think of it as creating a roadmap for your students. To do this, start by breaking down your course into modules or sections, each focusing on a specific topic. Divide the content within each module into lessons that cover subtopics or concepts. Arrange the modules and tasks in a logical sequence that builds upon previous knowledge. Consider the time required for each section to help students manage their study time effectively. Step 5. Create course materials. In this fifth step of creating your online course, the focus is on developing clear and concise text-based materials that explains concepts and provide valuable insight for your students. Here's where you share your skills and knowledge with your students in a way they can relate to. Add compelling visuals to your material, such as slideshows or infographics. Make videos to explain concepts in depth or to provide better explanations if appropriate. Create tests and additional materials to support learning. Remember to arrange and logically organize your materials so they are easy to read and comprehend. Producing engaging and accurate course materials will give your students a more rewarding learning experience. Step 6. Choose a platform. Learning management system. So, now that you have what you want for your course, the next step is to select a platform to publish it once you're done. Before deciding on any, you must consider several variables. Consider factors such as ease of use, features, and pricing. For example, before selecting a platform, look for platforms that allow you to customize the course layout and design to reflect your teaching style or personal brand. Also, confirm that the LMS learning management system you choose allows for interactive features like quizzes, videos, and other types of content. Also, verify that it can allow you to monetize and sell your course. Step 7. Develop assessments and assignments. Developing assessments and assignments is the next crucial step in creating a practical online course. With the help of these learning exercises, you can evaluate your pupils' comprehension while giving them chances to use what they've learned. Start by designing quizzes or texts that align with the learning objectives of each module. Include a mix of multiple choice, true, false, and open-ended questions to assess different levels of comprehension. Additionally, create assessments or projects that require students to demonstrate their skills and critical thinking. Provide clear instructions and rubrics to guide them. Developing well-designed assessments and assignments can foster active learning, measure progress, and provide valuable feedback to support your students' growth. Step 8. Add interactive elements. The next thing to do is incorporate interactive elements into your course. These fundamental components encourage student engagement and teamwork and are crucial to elevating your online course to the next level. They include discussion boards, webinars, Q&A sections, and more. Discussion boards allow students to interact, exchange knowledge, and post queries, fostering a vibrant learning community. Live webinars offer real-time interactions where you can deliver lectures, conduct demonstrations, and address student queries. Q&A sessions and virtual office hours provide dedicated time for personalized interactions, enabling students to seek clarification and receive individualized support. Incorporating these interactive elements into your course outline helps create a dynamic learning environment that encourages active participation, fosters more profound understanding, and builds a sense of belonging among your students. Step 9. Test and revise. You're almost ready to launch your course, having prepared the texts, videos, and assignments. However, you want to test what you have put together at this critical junction. Testing allows you to evaluate the effectiveness of your course materials, structure, and interactive elements. Furthermore, at this stage, you want to check your course for technological problems, examine the content for faults or inconsistencies, and get feedback from a limited group of beta testers. With this constructive feedback, you can identify areas for improvement and make necessary revisions to enhance the learning experience. This step ensures that your course meets the needs of your students and aligns with your desired outcome. Step 10. Launch and promote your course. After putting in all the effort to construct your online course, it's time to launch and promote it to your target audience. Launching involves making your course available to the public and opening it up for enrollment. On the other hand, promoting focuses on spreading the word about your course to attract students. You must use various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, blogging, and partnerships with influencers to reach your potential learners. Craft compelling and informative messages highlighting your course's benefits and values. Engage with your audience, answer questions, and address concerns to build trust and credibility. Remember, a successful launch and effective promotion can drive enrollment and help you make a meaningful impact on your course. Step 11. Provide ongoing support. Providing ongoing support is a crucial final step in ensuring the success and satisfaction of your online course students. It involves engaging with your learners throughout the course duration and beyond. Be responsive to students' inquiries and provide timely and helpful feedback. Foster a supportive learning community by encouraging student interaction through discussion forums, group activities, or virtual office hours. Also, you can offer additional resources or supplementary materials to enhance students' understanding. Continuously monitor students' progress and offer guidance and encouragement to keep them motivated. Stay updated with industry trends and make necessary updates to your course content. Your support demonstrates a commitment to your students' learning journey, resulting in higher student satisfaction and a positive reputation for your course. Frequently asked questions. Is creating an online course profitable? Yes, online courses are very profitable. Successful creators earn between $1,000 to $10,000 monthly. Of course, teaching these figures requires dedication, persistence, and skill. How many hours does it take to create an online course? It takes between 25 to 500 hours to create an online course. This duration depends on several factors, including the complexity of the program you're creating and the type of LMS you are using. In conclusion, developing an online course is a journey that involves careful planning, dedication, and a desire to provide excellent learning experiences. You can confidently manage the process from selecting your course topic to supporting your students if you follow the step-by-step method given in this video. Remember to choose a topic you're passionate about. Conduct market research, define clear learning objectives, and create engaging course materials. Choose a suitable platform, test and revise your course, and launch it with effective promotion. Finally, provide ongoing support to foster student engagement and satisfaction. With each step, you'll be closer to creating a successful online course that impacts and empowers learners worldwide. Happy teaching! If you have any concerns, be sure to leave your comments in the comments section. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in our next video. Cheers!